Okay, here's a scam on Fiverr and maybe some other places to watch out for. Fiverr is great. Fiverr itself is not a scam, but there are a lot of scammers on Fiverr. And this one was kind of slick. So I got a message from someone saying, would you do a certain amount of per finished hour work at this rate? And I said, yeah, I'd be willing to do that. Send me a script. So they said, okay, could you just read this script here and just give me some different takes of it, which that's not strange, really. And so I said, okay, sure. Well, then they said, make sure you get the emotion right. Okay, I know. That's what you're always trying to do, no matter what you're reading. So I thought that was a little strange. Then I opened the script, and you could tell it wasn't from the same script. Like, I'm used to, okay, here it's sort of sad, like you're presenting the problem, and then here's, you introduce the product, and here's hope for a better future, so the tone changes. That's not what this was. This was completely different scripts. And one was like an announcer, and then one was like sad, and it would say it. I had the direction. And then one of them said, use this to, use like believable human voices. And so I emailed back, I'm not going to train your AI. Now, if they would have been upfront and said, I'm going to pay you to train my AI, that would have been different. That's not dishonest. I wouldn't have taken it personally, but that wouldn't be dishonest. What was dishonest is when I got to looking at the profile, they didn't have any purchases, right? So that means they're going to go around to people that have a good profile on Fiverr and hopefully get them to send this back and then use it to train their AI with the emotions and whatnot, and never pay anybody. So that's a scammer for you. So just be careful out there. There's a lot of different scammers. That's one of them. Good luck.